those are what you call accessories. Me not gonna vote for you to turn Bob Marley national here. That no move my ego none at all, right? And the Maroons them, you know, you see, it still means yesterday no protected for why Maroons them a rally with him.
Yeah, man.
He say I'm go and lead the ganja business for the Maroon and the rest of them.
Yeah, man. I the win by Stephen Curry.
I win. Okay.
Stephen Curry are rally around because I win. They want to free up the weed and give them latitude so they can do what they feel like and to establish. Again, remember, you know, the British signed some little fool fake treaty with the Maroon them, and the British are come again to come free them up. So you have to have a state within a state, which cannot happen. Jamaica is one state, and you cannot have a state within state, and that is what they're fighting for. So the British come again and I promise them.
I know my stand on that already in protecting JA. If them try to rise up against the state of Jamaica, we must step on their neck without mercy.
Step right in them neck. Every man, woman, and child stepping at them neck. We don't have to wait on the state authorities. Everyone I was stepping at them neck.
That's a question, you know. Me sure me know that because me see the funky banky business for a long time. I always question about the Maroon, you know. So no man no one come tell me, you know. No one hear the story, you know. So they even come with
one of the reasons why Mark Golding at all of the constitutional reform is it was to save himself. That they pushed the letter out of the bag long time and that they asked to go through the gate. The next reason is him promised Stephen Curry and the Maroon them where Stephen Curry lead. Because remember more than one Maroon in Jamaica, all of them is not with the PMP. So the Maroon them where Stephen Curry lead. What is going to happen? Because remember say Mark Golding have two people in constitutional reform. Richard Curry, right. So remember say Mark Golding did have two people on the panel, you know. And everything discussing they didn't care about. But tell him. So they must make him know say when the constitution, when Jamaica become a republic now, a one state, there will be no other recognized state within a state. And the Maroon them have to go abide by the supreme law of Jamaica. So he promised them say if the PMP come in power and spearhead it, the reform, then they will not do that. They will give them own flexibility and their own self-government. How can you establish another state within a state? What kind of sovereignty you can establish within a sovereignty? So Mark Golding walk around some promises where he really can't go fulfill. Because even the constitution of Jamaica that exists does not recognize another state within a state. And he might book up on some problem there, so he might make some promises, you know. All the Maroon, he might plan to get seat in a Senate, you know. All the Maroon leader, he might plan to get seat in a Senate. So we have to realize the deeper games are playing here, you know.
Here you know. So that they want to try to establish civil war. Right? You know. You got, yo, one thing with soldiers, they think like one time when people cry for sweetie. We don't want no sweetie more, bro. We know what sweetie costs. You give us chance.
Rotten teeth and toothache. Rotten teeth and toothache.
Rotten teeth and toothache. No, we don't want to. We don't want the sweetie talk, bro. You come with your baba from. Right, we know that most Jamaicans, we ain't talking. We know that most Jamaicans are going to digest it and look for it and say, no, sir, we can't make so much progress. We come on and put your progress on this progress. Rip up this progress and we see your progress in our work.
Morning. Just a say morning to everybody.
Morning.
But everybody was go to the circus yesterday?
Of course. And I must go to
the circus. Because I circus was I'll be a one-trick pony today, so you guys are the story.
When I think them, you know, watch this now, when I cut, you know, they might talk about cancer screening and all these things. And Dr. Tufton a laugh. And man attack all the things them way government do already, you know. So Dr. Tufton a laugh, you know, because he don't know, you know. But on no say man don't know a national pledge. That man don't want to leave Jamaica. No say man no know national pledge. Oh, hold on, no, man. Oh, no fi have a man when no know a national pledge aim to lead Jamaica. I read off a paper. I read off a paper for national pledge. Eh?
No,
I wonder if you know say a big
national
deal.
song, man. National song. I pledge my heart to never.
Hold on, no, man. This man fi lead Jamaica. I read off a paper. I wonder if you not take it for joke. I wonder if you not take it for really joke. I don't think it's a joke.
It's over bigger thing, you know.
It's supposed to read it in your head, daddy.
It never born in Jamaica, that it approved. It never born.
Simple.
If in the gas school, you don't know that like it back of your hand.
All right.
So if you're born in Jamaica, you never go to school in Jamaica.
All right. It's simple.
You know, bigger than how we are taking for that.
Oh, you mean if you bigger than how we are taking for? A big thing, a big deal.
Thing that, bro.
A big deal.
I'm a bloodline, bro.
A big deal.
Oh, you come and read my national pledge, bro.
Never read the national song.
Never, ever hear nobody read that.
Even if you don't want to sing the national song, even if you don't want to sing it, repeat it. You can repeat the words, but you read it.
Yeah.
Man never born in Jamaica. He man not born in Jamaica. That's why man a schoolmate can say, then go to school.
No schoolmate here, no school college, no nothing.
No man go in.
Where you come from? Where you come from? Where you originate from?
Manchester. England,
Manchester, they say.
I first from me born, but I remember who my sister mother read that day. First.
Yeah, man.
That's when we are at school. When we are at school and the teacher sing out it, and the whole of we are sing.
Yeah.
And then, by month done.
Devotion.
By month done.
One of the members, you know. I know film pledge, you know. I know film pledge, you know, so you what the man singing for.
You're right, you know. You're right about that.
They know what I feel about you. You can't force the man to sing you pledge and a film, you.
That is true.
Film pledge, I told you film pledge to be king. Are the queen of England.
That is it, boy. That is it, you know.
No, but
Yo, right now, forget him when I was active. Right now, we don't mind.
up till today, up till now, the man tell you how am I going to fund the budget, you know. Up till now, the man
no, man, I can't talk about. We know that. No numbers can come up with.
The budget, you know. Tax have to raise.
Oh, you mean? It's a must. Any freedom business, whatever from it, tax have to go.
I mean, a pian raising, a big raise, I'm going to raise that, you know.
Man, we done so far already, I got worse so far.
Yo, remember the Jamaica have a little money in our kitty, you know, because remember, I know we are build highway for ourselves, we are buy vehicle to ourselves, JUTC, police transportation, fire.
Police them I get new equipment.
Equipment, clothes, uniform. Remember I said no.
Police station a build. Police station a build. Health center renovated and built. Water pipe job. Water pipe job.
A whole project are going around the country still with some people. Whole if a government work, you have to just travel the country. No joke. You want to build one health center all over. One time, I mean, maybe the type C or something next to hospital.
Yeah, you can't find a tradesman for it, man. You know, you can't find a tradesman for it, man. Yeah, man, going, man.
Remember say PJ feel again, you know, brother, because that way you hear Margolin come out with PJ's apart, that way Margolin come out with him right that here. So that we show us him feel again.
You feel again, bro. Remember the ability to spend hospital, bro. First night Caribbean.
Me not cut, well on do that. Me not cut, but can it ever be like this though? That you have a man who is a member of your party who lead the country for 14 years and you are making a speech and you cannot make a reference to something he did? Can it really make sense? Can it make sense? that he ruled the country for 14 years and you cannot make reference of something that he did. Wanna look deep. I wonder if wanna look deep into this. And see, PMP not good for Jamaica. I wonder if wanna look deep into it and see, say PMP not good for Jamaica. How can a man lead the country for 14 years and now them come speaking and then can't make mention of something he did? What that mean? What that show now? What that show now?
The only thing they talk about they want to give credit for is the telecommunication. But that was done solely by KD Knight. And KD Knight highlights it, bro. The only reason why people couldn't get this true is because we never involved no politics. KD Knight do it, and KD Knight have to do it confidentially. So that we and encourage them to know about it. So we can have this telecommunication.
When we want to know. When we want to know.
We know the protecting. We know the protecting can educate them more on that.
No, you know, so I don't know much about that sitting there, but we know say KD Knight have something to do with it too. But it went just like what Peter Phillips did on a camp. In a man at Phillips, PJ knew about it. So KD never really tell much of them when they negotiate until them cut a deal. And then the deal is so good, so PJ work with it. But we don't know much about it.
Yeah, man, that clip use say KD Knight couldn't tell nobody about the telecommunication. Then you didn't know about it. A problem would have with digital and upload to it.
You know, I say something to you. You see clip, I don't know, protecting JA. You see clip when KD Knight say in can't see nothing where the PMP government do. I want you play it a couple times well too, you know. I want you advertise, you know. Because PJ KD say in can't see no progress what they have made over the how much years they were in power.
But I
want to put up that clip there in a regular, you know.
Me I work
on throw it regular, you know.
Me I work on because me da wait for my whole implementation. So me I do know, me I work on some clip by clip, because I do some short videos. You know, and them more than 10 minutes long. And then now, I go work on one overall video from the 90s, from right up to 2015. And I make that about 125, 30 minutes video. On YouTube, them there forgot the one. But I have a clip, man. I have a whole heap of clip, you know. It's just that you have to use them strategically because you have to put things in context so people can understand, you know?
I try to contrast the holding budget with where after Honorable and Andrew Michael Hollis are going to present 20.
When I think when I say though, when I think when I hear this morning, as me say, I listen to Nationwide this morning and the brother named Cleveland. What is the man? He did I go run with one credit, you know, say the fiscal stability program started under the PMP, but he catch up on himself and say started under Bruce Wolin, but it was strengthened under the PMP. Me say, more, if you need to go listen back that clip there, you know. Remember say PMP say for them baby, you know. Remember say PMP say for them baby, but he came out this morning and said all the fiscal things started under JLP, but it was strengthened under the PMP. I want to play back that clip there and listen it and run in at them face. Because then they go and say for them baby. Then say for them baby.
Right now, the reality is this. At the 18 year I'm born coming up PMP, make me there so I suffer now, I feel like say that. And I labor it, I try put back a country pan, and that me feel better.
But I truth.
Just as easy to talk, brother. I feel the action make a future state, brother.
Yeah, man, if you're honest with yourself, bro, I fuck that talk. If you're honest with yourself.
But I'm not talking no fooling, brother. I rate me.
If you go online and look for the growth, it was called a manufactured growth, right? But the world did not go through that at the time. That means that factories did not get established in our world.
Look at now. Look at the man. The man Jamaica own no asset, brother. The government sell out everything. Yeah, first time, everything was owned by the government. Backside company, cement company, APS. all of them company that was publicly owned.
And that me I try to tell you, other Caribbean islands
normally build. The amount of things we normally go on, bro. The amount of things we production we normally go on at Jamaica. You not even know when I get back to that level there.
Yeah, but because me I tell you, during that the period when PJ it didn't have power, you know, other Caribbean country grow like 100% GDP, you know, 90% GDP, you know, Jamaica decline, you know, bro.
Yeah.
Decline due that the period.
With them the big industrial place there, backside and them thing there, bro. We have how much revenue.
Right now,
yeah, man, them chick man with JPS, man. Man come here broke in a bankruptcy and buy JPS from Jamaica.
Morning. You what me have to say? And you know, you what me have to say? You know, we supposed to all and know the reality and can see things, you know. And me sorry if you can't see, you know, but you know, as far as how me see it, you know, it's a cheap card game mark all in a paper in the mind of Jamaican people, you know.
As always. That's
PMP.
But that's PMP. That's what they always do.
Yes,
that's what they always do.
Me sorry if you can't see, you know, because, you know, as far as always understand now, Mark Golding don't have no plan. And they never had no plan for the Jamaica Labour Party thief. We plan them a thief, you know. You understand?
Yo, we really want election come. We really want to see who Jamaica people.
You understand me?
We just really want to see brother.
I same thing me I say, me just want
brother, me just dying to see brother.
Come there they listen, you know, and me I say, I yesterday me they listen Mark Golding and me I say, boy, me well want to see election call and see how this.
Yeah, we just want to see who them are going to elect, brother.
Yeah.
Guys.
Go ahead. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Kind of come to me, you know, my phone are dead as well, guys.
All right.